T3, teach the teacher. Teach the teacher is a formula that we've come up with that is a 1 to 5 roll down of skills and technical ability. And so some people may look and say, that's just the same as train the trainer, but we are saying within every human being, no matter what age, there is a teacher within. I mean, you can even see it in a 6-month-old baby that interacts with another baby, or that interacts with a mother. Who's teaching who? Sometimes they're teaching us, our children, and we're teaching them as well. So it's a two-way sort of street of different things we're learning. I mean, I know for a fact that my daughter and my son teach me to have fun. They teach me how to just take a break from reading and studying and working, and to just get present in my life. And so everyone is a teacher. Everyone has the ability to teach something. It's really important that we're able to teach each other what we need to. And what we suggest is that you use our T3 process, which is a 1 to 5 roll down. Please bear in mind that to truly check if your message is rolling down correctly, you need to go to the indirect service. So not to the person you've directly taught, but to the person that they have taught, and check in and see, did they get it right? When you check in, I recommend using your Imago tool. Imago is to listen and hear, and the check-in can be as simple as, what did you get from that? What did you learn? What did you take away from that model that was taught? What did you take away from the technical information that was taught to you and given to you? And so what you do is you let them speak in their own words what they got, and then you are able to mirror it back to them so they can also hear what is it that they got from it. And then you could even say, tell me more, or you could say, almost, the piece I think that you could have is this. But first, listen to hear and check in and see what it is they got by using the T3 process. So that comes in a 5-step process, which is explained to you now. T3, teach the teacher. Everyone is a teacher. Just enjoy it. Give your skills over. Parents, teach your children. Googles, teach your children. Grannies, teach your children and your grandchildren, as we know you do, in different ways. And take what you're learning from everyone as well. In the workplace, use the T3 process. With difficult and hard situations, use a 1 to 5 ratio, just like the best way to work and manage people in a business is to use a 1 to 5 ratio at most.